For this whole application, what we've been doing is in any scenario where we don't have a valid book object, we just return false. And we know that in this if statement, we know that if we reach this else clause, then the client did not send us a valid request due to our method. And there are quite a few different type of status codes we can send back to our client in this scenario, such as a 422, a 403. But for now, we will simplify this decision and we will just decide to return a 400 status code. And in addition to this, what we're going to do is we're also going to send a helpful response back to our clients that will help them be able to form the correct request next time. We're going to remove this return false, and I'm going to define an invalid book object error message. And this is what will be sent to our client in the response. And within this error message object for this book, the two things we'll have is we'll have the actual error message, and then we'll have an help string. And adding a help string will help our clients form a good request. For the error, I will put it as invalid book object was passed in the request. For this help string, I'm going to show them that they need to pass data in similar to this JSON body they see in this response. Once this is defined, we'll define a response, and then we'll set this equal to the response constructor, and then we'll return this. And we need to fill out this response constructor. And the first parameter is the actual error message, so I'll copy this. And the second parameter will be the status code, which we'll set as 400. And the third parameter is the MIME type, which we'll set as application JSON. What that does is it tells the client how to interpret the response we're sending them and telling them that they're getting a JSON back. In Python, this is a dictionary, even though it also could look like a JSON string. We need to convert that into a JSON object. I already have JSON imported here, so I'm going to call the JSON.dumps method, and I will pass it our dictionary. And what that will do is it will convert our dictionary of the book object's error message into a JSON object and return that as a response. With that, everything should be done, and I'm going to open the terminal so we can test to see if this works. I'll start our server. Now that our server is started, I'll open up Postman, and I will send an invalid request. Right here, we have a post, and I'll put the ISBN as ISBN X, which should be invalid, and I'll send this. And we see the status code is 400 bad request. And then if we look at the body, we see that invalid book object was passed in the request. And the client gets a helpful string that tells them that the data passed in should look similar to this.